Hello guys, it's Rich again, and for today's vlog, it's all about my beauty device, wrinkle removal, skin tightening, portable facial machine with LED light. Effective on removing wrinkles, fine lines, puffiness, and saggy skin. On this video, I will unbox my RF device from Skin Instrument. This is not a sponsored video, but gusto ko lang i-share yung journey ko from this device and what's inside the box. Excited ka na ba? Watch till the end. Okay, let's start. Next update will be on my next video. Thank you guys for watching.